Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And I guess updates probably not the right word. Confirmation would be definitely the more accurate term. Confirmation, especially in regards to this red line up here, which 37 cents. And I talked about it quite a bit last week as that level of resistance. And you can see that once again today, that is right where the price has been struggling. The good news is the price was able on a few different occasions to get up above 37. So I would fully agree that 37 has been weakened up as a level of resistance. However, the thing is the price did still technically close down below 37. So therefore, you still have to consider it a level of resistance. Again, I would fully agree it's a weakened level of resistance, but it is still a level of resistance nonetheless. So 37 cents kind of remain, not kind of, it does remain the thorn in the side of the chart right now, as far as not really allowing the price to get any sort of breakout. But it's definitely because it's been weakened up. I feel like I should probably add in one more just in case some sort of breakout happens tomorrow. And if that does happen, then the next key overall level of resistance would be right up there around the 42 cent mark. So 37 and 42, next couple of key areas of resistance going forward. But again, before we start talking about doing battle with 42 or going up in the 40s there, the first near-term level battleground that needs to be not only broken above but actually sustained above is going to be again 37. As far as levels of support are concerned, you still have the level down here at 29 cents. Which is important, but I'm not going to really go into the details of that given that the price isn't even close to potentially breaking through there. But the other level to now watch going forward would be this purple line here, the 50-period moving average. And you can see now it's actually started to curl back upwards. So keyword being moving, so assuming the price stays up above it, that line is now going to begin to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way, but very effective in terms of kind of judging the health of the overall movement right now, is that as long as the price can stay up above that purple line, then the chart is really in full bullish health going forward. And like I said, the first sign of it, things are just simply that the purple line has now been able to start to curl its way back upwards. It's still got work to do, but like I said, that's the important part with the price staying up above it. So overall, nice way to start the week. 37 has been weakened up, and we'll see if the bulls can get the break or not at some point this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.